Hi, this is Kanagaraj Arunthadhy. Today I am here with the next set of questions, that is the 16th set. The main question is the marks of the term examination of Kalaveda Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all the students studying in his school in a computer software. The software was developed by a software development company called ALSoft. The software should be able to store all student term scores and student assessment score. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software. You work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So this is the main question for some upcoming videos. Let's move to the 16th question set. The first sub question is, create a database named Exam Marks DB to store students' marks. Use the ER diagram to create this database. So according to their requirement, we need to draw an ER diagram to create the database. For that, I am going to use MySQL Workbench. The database name is Exam Marks DB. Let's move to the next question. The next one is, create a table named student to store students' data. Create the table according to the instructions below. Next, we need to create the table student. Let's start creating the table. Table name student. The first column is index number, data type int, and this is the primary key of the table. The second one is first name, data type varchar, length 45. The third column is last name, data type varchar, length 45. The fourth column is gender, data type varchar, and the length 10. The final column is contact number, data type varchar, and the length 10. So here we have created the student table. Let's move to the next question. The next one is, the school has 2 grade 11 classes. Create a table called class to store the details of those classes. So now we need to create the table class. Let's create it. Table name is class. First column is class ID, data type int, and it is the primary key of the table and it auto increase. The second column is class name, data type varchar, length 45. So here now we have created student table and the class table. Let's move to the next question. The next one is, create a table called subject to store the subjects taught in the school. Create the table according to the instructions below. Next, we need to create the table subject. The table name is subject. First column is subject ID, data type int, primary key, and it will auto increase. The next column is subject name. Data type varchar and the length 45. Let's move to the next. The final requirement is create a table with the exam term to store the term test in the scope. Create the table according to the instructions below. So now we need to create the table exam term. The table name is exam term. First column is term ID. Data type int, primary key, and it will auto increase. The second column is term name. Data type varchar and length 45. The third column is exam date. Data type date. So now we have created the student table, class table, subject table, and exam term table. So that's it for the day. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you for watching.